Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.
Every business has an ambition. PayPal Open is the platform designed to help you grow into yours. With business loans so you can expand and access to hundreds of millions of PayPal customers worldwide. And your customers can pay all the ways they want. With PayPal, Venmo, Pay Later, and all major cards. So you can focus on scaling up. When it's time to get growing, there's one platform for all business. PayPal Open. Grow today at paypalopen.com. Loans subject to approval in available locations.
And now, a next-level moment from AT&T Business. Say you've sent out a gigantic shipment of pillows, and they need to be there in time for International Sleep Day. You've got AT&T 5G, so you're fully confident. But the vendor isn't responding, and International Sleep Day is tomorrow. Luckily, AT&T 5G lets you deal with any issues with ease, so the pillows will get delivered and everyone can sleep soundly, especially you. AT&T 5G requires a compatible plan and device. Coverage not available everywhere. Learn more at att.com/5G network.
These are the Daily Tech headlines for Tuesday, July 29th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. Microsoft Edge's new Copilot Mode is an experimental AI feature for web browsing. It helps with tasks like searching, chatting, navigating, booking appointments, and creating shopping lists. While there are privacy concerns and questions about AI efficiency, Copilot can also assist with research by viewing open tabs and offering voice input with future plans for more advanced actions and project recommendations. A significant security vulnerability has been discovered in the dating safety app T, exposing a greater volume of user data than a previously reported breach. An independent security researcher found that hackers could access private messages between users, including discussions about abortions, cheating partners, and shared phone numbers, impacting a separate database with messages up until last week, contrary to T's initial claim that the incident involved a legacy data storage system from over 2 years ago. Effective August 28th, Anthropic will implement new weekly rate limits for its Claude Code AI coding tool for Pro and Max plan subscribers. These limits, supplementing existing 5-hour limits, will include an overall usage cap and a specific limit for Claude Opus 4, with Max subscribers able to purchase additional usage. The changes aim to prevent continuous 24/7 usage, account sharing, and reselling, addressing unprecedented demand and past outages. Anthropic anticipates less than 5% of subscribers will be affected, viewing these measures as essential for reliable service despite user questions regarding usage measurement and discrepancies in Max plan benefits. Microsoft and OpenAI are in advanced discussions to amend their agreement, ensuring Microsoft retains access to crucial OpenAI technology, even if OpenAI achieves artificial general intelligence, a condition that currently restricts Microsoft's access. These months-long negotiations also cover Microsoft's future equity in OpenAI and are vital for OpenAI's shift to a public benefit corporation, which needs Microsoft's consent. These talks are unfolding amid a lawsuit against OpenAI by Elon Musk, and as Microsoft's relationship with OpenAI and OpenAI's exploration of other cloud providers are under scrutiny ahead of Microsoft's quarterly earnings release. India has surpassed China as the leading source of smartphones sold in the U.S., largely due to Apple's decision to assemble more iPhones in the South Asian nation. In the quarter ending June, India accounted for 44% of the U.S. smartphone market, making it the top manufacturer for the first time, according to Canalys data, while Vietnam ranked second. China's share of estimated shipments significantly dropped from over 60% a year ago to just 25%. In other Apple news, the company is closing its Parkland Mall store in Dalian City, China, on August 9th, marking its first retail store closure in the country. This move signals a potential shift in strategy for Apple within the Chinese market, where it aims to increase iPhone sales. The closure, attributed to changes within the shopping complex, comes as Apple maintains a significant retail presence in Greater China with approximately 56 stores, representing over 10% of its more than 530 global outlets. TikTok has expanded its Add to Music app feature, allowing users to seamlessly save songs from video clips to their preferred music streaming services, now including YouTube Music. This feature initially launched in 2023 with support for Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, has since rolled out globally and added Deezer and SoundCloud as options. Users can simply tap the Add Song button to save tracks, which are then added to a dedicated TikTok songs playlist on their chosen service, a move that TikTok states has significantly boosted streams for the music industry. Cash App is introducing Pools, a feature for collecting group payments from both Cash App users and non-users using cash tag invitations, text, and shareable links for Apple Pay and Google Pay. This feature simplifies group payments, allowing organizers to set funding targets, track contributions, and instantly transfer funds to their Cash App balance. While similar to PayPal's money pooling and other expense tracking apps, it will be first available to a select group of customers before a wider release. Waymo is launching its robotaxi service in Dallas next year, collaborating with Avis Budget Group for fleet management of its Jaguar I-Pace vehicles. This partnership, Avis's first with Waymo, will likely expand to other cities as Waymo seeks to scale efficiently. Waymo has been preparing for the Dallas launch through mapping and testing and will increase the fleet to hundreds of vehicles after technology validation. Dallas will be Waymo's sixth commercial city, with Washington, D.C. and Miami also planned for next year. And finally, Elgato has launched the Facecam 4K webcam at $199.99, offering 4K 60fps recording or 4K 30fps with HDR using a Sony Stravis 2 CMOS sensor and USB-C connectivity. It's the first webcam to support optional 49mm lens filters. The Camera Hub software enables detailed manual adjustments and settings to be saved to the camera, and it works with Elgato's prompter. The Facecam 4K is positioned as a more affordable alternative to the Facecam Pro. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Walmart Business is in the business of helping your business, regardless of whether you're building bridges, building spreadsheets, or building lesson plans. Ooh, that looks fun. Walmart Business can help save you time, money, and hassle so you can focus on what you're building instead of what your supply closet is missing. In short, we take care of business so you can do more with yours. We're the Walmart you love, now for your business. Learn more at business.walmart.com.
Banking with Capital One helps you keep more money in your wallet with no fees or minimums on checking accounts and no overdraft fees. Just ask the Capital One bank guy. It's pretty much all he talks about, in a good way. He'd also tell you that this podcast is his favorite podcast, too. Ah, really? Thanks, Capital One bank guy. What's in your wallet? Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com/bank. Capital One N.A. member FDIC.